So we're cruising here on the Friendship Highway on the road that connects Kathmandu to Bhaktapur, and I'm in the back of a taxi with a dude who's driving like a total psycho. So I thought I'd share this with you to give you a sense of what it's like to drive on the road in Kathmandu these days. And then, of course, as soon as I start filming, here we go. A little hard to focus, but you can see the Himalayas up there. Flat tire. Flat tire. You have a flat tire from driving like a maniac.
1 minute.
1 minute, please. Yeah, let's see it. How fast can you do this, brother? Chicho, Chicho! Chicho, Chicho! Wala just county. Just. Yeah! Woo! Let's out. Okay, so we got Luke Duke on the left here and Bo Duke on the right here. The Nepali Duke's a hazard for sure. I have never, ever seen such a smooth operation, brothers. Kosto ramro manjaru. Woo!
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, malay na. Yeah.
Yes.
So smooth. Let's do it again. Yeah. So I hopped in this cab about 10 minutes ago, right? I'm late to go have dal bhat, which is like rice and lentils, totally traditional Nepali meal, at my old teacher's house, and I'm running late. So I hop in this taxi, and the dude's driving like a total maniac, and he hits a pothole, and he gets a flat tire, and he and his little buddy here on the side, his sidekick, get out and change the tire in like 40 seconds, and we're on the road and rolling. And I was just loving it. It was totally the way life should be. Incredible. I was thinking I was gonna have to, just say peace to these guys, pay my bill, and roll on in another taxi or hop on a bus. I couldn't believe how smooth and fast these guys were able to rock it. Totally beautiful.